Oh wow, she really seems to like you.
Oh yeah, she's a good pupper.
When she wants to be. Where's your dog?
Oh, I'm actually in between doggos right now.
Oh.
I also kind of needed an excuse to get out of the house.
Real. I don't know what I'd do if I didn't have Maisie.
I also suppose I'm looking for clients as well.
Oh, clients?
I'm a dog walker.
Okay, how long have you been walking dogs for?
Practically my whole life. Just recently started getting paid for it.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. I'm heading out this weekend and I happen to be looking for a dog walker, so maybe you'd like to walk her tonight, see how it goes?
Name a time and a place and I'll be there. I know they need a lot of walking.
Don't remind me.
Do you have an email, perchance? Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was once lost, but now I'm found. I once was blind, but now I see.
Oh, hey!
Hello, Maisie. Hi. Oh my goodness. Look what I have for you. Wow. Isn't that lovely? Oh my.
Okay, well,
Goodness.
here's Macy's harness and leash, so you can just, yeah, have fun.
Well, I'm sure I will.
Do you need help or do you got it?
I'm doing just fine.
Okay, have fun.
I'm sure I will.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey! That's not walking, that's stealing. Get back here with my dog! Don't you dare take Maisie! Give her back! I'm not letting you take her! Get back here!
Now!
There's nowhere left to run. I'm giving back my dog.
Let's let the dog decide.
What? Maisie, come here. Come on. Come on, Maisie. Come on.
Maisie.
Come here.
Maisie. Maisie, please.